This is the 32-ounce bottle of Trifecta crop control. This stuff comes ready to use, no mixing required. When it arrived, it shipped in a sealed bottle. It was wrapped separately, and the sprayer was also separate from the bottle, so it had no leakage at all, which is great. The spray bottle itself has two different sprayer options on it. One, you've got like, your regular spray, and the second one, you've got more of a concentrated spray. So if you wanted to get like the underside of the leaves, you're good to go. The spray mixture itself is made with all natural food grade ingredients, so it's safe for human consumption. And I'm using it on my fig tree here, and also I'm going to use it on my blueberry bush. The best time to use this spray is in the evening, right before dusk, the end of a light cycle, so that you don't cause any damage to the foliage and the sunlight. I noticed I got something going on here, and I want to try and nip it in the bud before it gets worse. Always when you use something like this, you want to do a little test spray first to make sure it's going to work for you. Spray a couple leaves, see how it works out. So it's super simple to use. You just point and spray. You want to make sure you saturate the leaves on the top and the bottom of the leaves, especially if you've got an infestation. Stuff's good for powdery mildew, spider mites, russet mites, broad mites, gray mold, aphids, parasites, stuff like that. And I want to try and do a little preventative maintenance on it this year. They say that it's good for use on most plants, including fruits, vegetables, herbs, spices, roses, flowers, trees, shrubs, house plants, succulents, all that. And I'm going to use it on my fruit trees. But there it is, Trifecta crop control, ready to use, no mixing required.